Hey there. So now that we finished the rather long 8.3 clause in ISO 9001 2015, we already talked about throughout that entire thing controlling um, the inputs, the outputs, the whole process from beginning to end of whatever you design as a system to be successful for yourself and for your customer and client. The next part is 8.4, which is about external products, services. Depending on the size of the company, depending on the business, they may have a ton of subcontractors. Some may not have any. I don't know. But many businesses out there subcontract something, whether it is to get materials, equipment, people. We have to ensure that whatever they're doing for us is successful for us, right? So you have to look at those subcontractors to see, okay, do they need to have their own quality system in place? Do they need to develop it against ISO principles, right? And then you verify what they put together, and you work on it together. And of course, you'll have to keep an eye on it, so it'll be audited. There may be times you have to go out to a site where they are creating a part or whatever it may be for you, and you have to verify things on ground to ensure that they are supplying you with the right stuff, right? So 8.4 is important, and it all depends on what the business has and needs. Not all of us as a business can do things internally. We have to go out to another third party vendor to do things. So that's why this clause is incredibly important, especially if you do have subcontractors. So you have to determine what they need to be successful for you, because technically when you sub something out, you are now their client, even if you have a client or customer of your own, right? And you just need to work with them on ensuring that they have a good system in place, because you may have to build a quality system with them. The business may not quite understand what you need, and that's where you have to help them out. All right, but this is an incredibly important one because I work with a lot of companies that we have as a subcontractor, and then they sub out some stuff as well. So we have a sub of a sub, right? So it's important to have something in place to ensure that they're giving you what you need for yourself and your customer and client.